Good morning, 5K. So we're going to start off this morning talking about how many days there are in a week. How many days are there? 7. Sing with me. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All right, my loves, if yesterday was Tuesday, what day of the week comes after Tuesday? If yesterday was Tuesday, today is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. My turn first. Wednesday, 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 Wednesday. W-E-D, W-E-D. N-E-S, N-E-S. D-A-Y, D-A-Y. Wednesday, 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 Wednesday. Awesome. My sweets, how many months are there in a year? There are 12. Count them with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we are in the 12th month of December. You got it. All right, let's look down here. It's somebody's birthday today. So before I tell you whose birthday it is, we need to know the date. So if yesterday was December 8th, what date is it today? What comes after 8? Yeah, 9. Today is December 9th. And what shape will it be for the 9th? What comes after 2 circles? Our pattern starts back over. Rectangle, triangle, circle, circle. Rectangle, triangle, circle, circle. Rectangle. Now today is Tamia's birthday. Happy birthday, Tamia. Let's sing happy birthday to her. Happy birthday. That's not how we sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tamia. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, sweet girl. I started singing it till there are 7 days. Oh, my brain. Whew. Sometimes grown-ups, their brains just do weird things. All right, let's write the date for Tamia's birthday. December 9th. 3 birthdays in a row. Mr. Barch is on Monday, Jordan's birthday, and Tamia's birthday. And then Samir's was on Saturday. So we've had 4 birthdays in 5 days. All right, let's write. I don't want to use that one. That one's fuzzy. Let's write the date. You can grab your whiteboard, grab your marker, or a piece of paper and a pencil. Either of those will work. And let's write the date. What do we write first for our date in December? We need uppercase D. Top to bottom, slide, belly slide. D-E. What letter goes next? E. D-S. What letter says S? 2 of them together. C-E, make that S sound. It sounds like it should be an S, but when there's an E after a C, then the C doesn't say K, it says S. M. 2 bumps. Make sure you don't have any loops in there. December. What letter says B? B. B does not start down here. B starts at the top. B comes down and then you trace up. So you have no loops. And then a belly to the right. December. The 2 letters that say E and R. E, R comes down, trace up, and hook. Letters and numbers never start down at the bottom. Ever, ever. You always are going to start up top and pull down. So if you make your R going up in a hook, that's not right. You have to start at vanilla, go down, up, and around. All right, we wrote our month. Next, we need our date. What's the date today? Today is the 9th. So you're going to make a number 9. Then you need this guy. Comma. cute little comma. And then you need your year. You got it. So 2020. So a 2, a 0, a 2, and a 0. Awesome. I'll give you a little bit longer to finish, and then we can say the date today. Say it with me. You ready? Set, go. Good morning, Milwaukee. Today's date is December 9th, 2020. Say happy birthday to Mia. Awesome. All right, my loves, I want you to look up here at our pattern. Say these numbers with me. Ready? Go. 8, 10, 12. I'll give you a little bit because I know those of you that write this down, write these with me and take a picture and post it. I'm going to give you time to write it. Write those numbers. If you are not writing it, but you're just watching it and following along with me, what are we counting by? 8, 10, 12. What are we counting by? 2s, we're skip counting. 8, skip 9, 10, skip 11, 12. So 8, skip 9, write 10. 10, skip 11, write 12. So what's going to come next? 8, 10, 12, 12, skip 13, write 14. And if I'm at 12, I need to skip 13 and write 14 because we're skip counting. We're skipping a number. All right, what's going to come next? 8, 10, 12, 14. 14, skip 15, write 16. Look, 14, skip 15, write 16. We don't want those other numbers. We're just doing evens right now, right? All right, count with me. Ready, go. 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. What comes next? 16, skip 17, write 18. You got it. And if we had one more space, what would come next? 18, skip 19, write 20. We write 20, but we ran out of room. All right, I want you to count with me. Ready, set, go. 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Last would be 20. You got it. All right, my sweets. If yesterday was day number 64 of school, what number comes after 64? After 64 comes 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. What does 65 look like? What two numbers do you hear? 65. 6 and 5 make 65. Say that with me. Ready? Go. 6 and 5 make 65. All right, I'm going to put 65 up. We're getting closer and closer to 100. That's a little crooked. There we go. I'm going to color our 65th square. All right, I want you to count by tens with me to 65. Tens and ones. I'm going to get it nice and close. Count by tens because these are full towers of 10. Count with me. Ready? Go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And then we switch. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. So that matches. We do have 65 squares. Matches 65. And we switch counting by tens to counting by ones. Right, because we don't have another full 10, so we got to switch and count each little one. Now I need to write 65 in tens and ones. How many tens are there in the number 65? Which number's in the tens place? And a 6. How many ones are there? How many extras? 5. All right, you got it. 65. Is that an even number? It ends with a 5. Is 5 even? Remember, even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Did I say 5? No, not an even number. All right. You can grab your clock. We're going to do clock and then coins. I want you to show me, so grab your clock. I want you to show me 12 o'clock. Where do your hands go on your clock for 12 o'clock? Well, I know my big hand for o'clock was up to the 12. Where does my little hand go for 12 o'clock? Yeah, it's going to go up to the 12. So both hands are going up to the 12. 12 o'clock, it's under there. So make sure that both of your hands are pointing up to the 12. Awesome. All right, let's do our coin cup. There are not pennies in here. What are these? Dimes. All right, let's count our dimes. Count with me. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We need to draw 8 dimes. If you want to draw this with me, you can. Let's draw 8 dimes. Ready? Count with me. Set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. All right, let me scoot you a little closer. There we go. What am I going to write on top of each one of those dimes? I'm gonna make a 10 because a dime is 10 cents on top of your dimes, because it would be really sad if I counted by ones, because then my answer would be wrong. So I need to remember that those are 10 cents. So I wrote a little 10 on top. Okay, so whenever you see dimes on a math paper, you're gonna write a 10 on top. Whenever you see a penny, you're gonna write a 1 on top, because that's gonna help your brain remember how to count so you don't mess up. Count by tens with me. Ready? Go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. How do I write 80? How do I write 80? 8 and a cup of tea, which is what number? 0. And I can't forget my cent sign. We are talking money, not rocks or socks or puppies or kittens. Money. I need my cent sign. All right. Let's sing the weather song. Sing with me. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy. What's the weather like today? Go take a look out your window. What do you see the weather is like out there? I remember I told you 2 days ago on Monday that my phone said it was going to be this all week. Do you see clouds outside? I don't know. Maybe the weather's wrong because I look at this a week ahead of time, so it might be wrong. But my phone said it was cloudy. Sing with me. It's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, cloudy day. It's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, cloudy day. All right, my sweets, when you look at the graph, what kind of weather has the most? Yeah, cloudy definitely does. Who has the second most? Sunny. How many more cloudies than sunny days are there? How many extra cloudy pictures do you see? So you can't count these ones because there's a sunny right next to them. How many more cloudies do you see? 3. 1, 2, 3. These 3 pictures are the extras, right? All right, we need to do some counting before we end math meeting. We're going to count by 10s and 2s. All right. Are you going to stay? Here we go. Let's count by 10s. Ready? Just normal. Count with me. Ready? Set, go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job. You made it all the way to 100. All of these are T numbers. You see the cup of tea. Let's count by 2, starting at 0. We're going to do this. Remember, I can only do it with one hand because I'm pointing. Say it with me, starting at 0. Ready, set, go. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Make sure you're saying it. If you don't say it, your brain won't remember. God made your brain in such a special way that if you say things with me, when you say something, your brain remembers it better. So when I say count with me, I need you to actually talk to the computer, okay? I need you to count with me, because if you don't, your brain's not going to remember. And this is going to be on a test. And you're not going to be able to look at that. So your brain's just going to have to remember how to count by 2s. So say it with me, okay, when we count. Let's do it one more time. Ready? Starting at 0. Set. Go. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Awesome. Bye, my sweets. I'll see you soon for reading and math.